Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error 0x80244022 where you're coming up with a server status is unavailable on your computer, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and you want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help, and then it will give you the error code that preceded what I just said. So pretty straightforward process here, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest would be to open up the start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the start button one time. Either left click on the little gear icon on the left side where you hover over it, it should say settings, or you could type in settings into start menu search, and you want to go ahead and just open it up. So open up the modern UI settings page, and you want to left click on the network and internet tile. Now you want to left click on proxy on the left side. You want to make sure automatically detect settings is turned on here. If it's not, so if it looks like this, you just want to toggle it to the on position by clicking inside the oval one time. So hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you can try, if we back out of here, and then we're going to close out of the settings window, open up the start menu again, type in Troubleshoot. Best match to come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that one time. And underneath Get Up and Running, you want to select Windows Update and resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then left click on Run the Troubleshooter. It might say pending system changes. We're going to go ahead and select next here. Hopefully we'll be able to pick up on any issues you're experiencing. And you can see if there are any problems that are found or fixed, it should come up down here. Close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully that has been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.